Hello everyone, welcome to the Jantek Industries product showroom. My name is Kellen, and today what we're going to do is take a quick look around at our showroom so you can see all the windows that we design, manufacture, and install here at Jantek Industries. As you can see in the showroom, we have different display racks, and in each of these racks are all of the windows that we make here. So let's take a look. First up, we have our Energy Miser casement window, also known as a crank-out. Its operating handle is located in the center at the bottom, along with its locking mechanism right over here. Next, we have our Energy Miser awning window, very similar to the casement. Operating handle will be in the center, locks on the side. Above that, we have our basement window. So this is called a hopper window. It does tilt in so you can vent. And then on top, we have a fixed picture window. This is also demonstrating obscured or privacy glass. Finally, at the end of this first display rack, we have an example of a low profile picture window. Now, if we loop around here, we can see an example of a garden window here, complete with flowers and opening casement style windows on the side and a big picture window along with the glass shelf. And this is a display of a finished and unfinished side of the garden window. And on the second display rack here, we have examples of probably the most common and popular windows that we design, manufacture, and install here at Jantek, and that is our double hung window. So this is an example of what it looks like from the exterior. What we have on here is an added Accubond or paint that goes on the window and in the color black. And this is what the interior of a double hung window would look like. And again, these are operating, they open vertically and tilt in for cleaning. And this next rack here, we have a display also of double hungs, but this is what we would call a twin unit. And what that means is you have one opening, but with two windows molded together at the center. And these are Accubond painted exterior windows in the color bronze. Both are double hung, just like the windows we looked at before. All right, in our next display case, we have an example of our double slider window. So this is a window that can encompass one large opening, and it is considered one unit, and the sashes will slide vertically side to side and can be lifted out easily for cleaning. And in the next display model case here, we have what we consider a triple slider. So this is in the model of a quarter, half quarter, meaning the operable sliding sashes on either end are a quarter of the width, and the non-operating picture window in the center is half of the width. So these sashes will slide horizontally once they're unlocked and are easily removed for cleaning. This can encompass one large opening and is considered one window. On the wall here, we have displays of both bay and bow frames. And what these are projecting frames, vinyl clad wood interior finish that we make and install windows to put in. This is the bay frame. Again, you have a large center picture window with two operating flanker windows on either side, and then a bow window, which is going to come out in an arc, and you can put windows in each and every one of these openings. Again, vinyl clad exterior with a hardwood finish on the interior. And one of the features with a bay or a bow window, if necessary, would be an optional roof kit. Here you have an example of a finished roof kit, where this would be an unfinished one. Now what we have here is an example of a standard 6-foot sliding patio door. Not only do we make windows here at Jantek Industries, but we also manufacture and install sliding patio doors. This is a standard 6-foot one, like I had mentioned. Our doors are reversible. They can open from either direction, and they would be standing on what would be the inside, and over here on the outside, comes complete with a screen door and our handle with multiple different options for colors and hardware. And over here we have another display of a picture window. Again, it's a non-operating window. It's just glass in a frame, but what this demonstrates is our ability to get any color that you wish on the exterior. We have our standard colors, but we also have the ability to match a color if it's not accounted for in our standard setup. So here at Jantek Industries, we understand that not all windows are going to be the perfect shape. So as you can see over here, we have some examples of some what we call specialty shape windows. Right here is an example of a half moon, also called an eyebrow or an arch, as well as windows like octagons, as you can see here. Here at Jantek Industries, we want you to know that all of our windows do come with screens. Standard will be what we call a half screen, but if you choose to get a full screen, we can do that for you, and there's no additional cost. Right here next to me is our display table, where we do our light demonstration, and we have examples of additional options that you can get in windows, such as grids. With our windows, we like to have our standard glass package as triple pane or R5. This is a display model of what a crosscut of the interior of a window that displays triple pane, but if you'd like to get double pane, you can do that as well. If you need more information about Jantek windows or doors, make sure to go to our website. That's jantekwindows.com. And when you're on our website, if you want an estimate for replacement windows or patio doors, select free tele-estimate or give us a call here at the showroom. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Kellen, and we'll see you next time.